my workshop, Introduction to Distributed Systems with C# and .NET. We have all of these fantastic patterns and protocols now that exist to basically to get two different services talking to one another. In this workshop, we're going to talk about HTTP and some of the patterns that run on top of that. We'll talk about REST, we'll talk about GraphQL. We got a whole section about patterns that use message queues, publish, subscribe, RabbitMQ, those kinds of things. We're going to talk about gRPC, which is a format came out of Google, along with the protocol buffers, which is a very, very fast way of encoding data for sending it over the network. And we're going to look at SignalR, which is a fantastic ASP.NET library for doing real-time notifications popping up in a browser. If you're a .NET developer, you know your way around C# and you're interested in learning what are these patterns, how do they work, when do you use them, and what are they good at? Why should you use these in your applications? This workshop is for you. It's happening at NDC conferences. Hope to see you there.